Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong for 4 players. Mahjong is a captivating game played with 144 unique tiles. To begin, each of the 4 players constructs a wall, 17 tiles long and 2 tiles high. The dealer is then chosen by rolling 3 dice, which also determines where the wall break occurs. Following this, each player draws 13 tiles to form their starting hand, setting the stage for an exciting game ahead. The primary objective in Mahjong is to be the first player to complete a winning hand, which consists of 4 sets and 1 pair. A set can be a pung, 3 identical tiles, or a chow, 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit. During your turn, you will draw 1 tile from the wall and then discard 1 tile from your hand. You can also claim a discarded tile from another player to complete a set or to declare Mahjong. Beyond the standard 4 sets and 1 pair, Mahjong features numerous special hands, each with its own unique tile combination. These special hands are often more challenging to assemble, but typically yield significantly higher scores. When a player declares Mahjong, points are calculated based on the specific sets and pairs in their winning hand. The player who achieves Mahjong then collects points from the other 3 players, concluding the round. To win at Mahjong, focus on efficiently completing your sets while closely observing the tiles your opponents discard. Prioritize forming pungs and chows that align with the potential of your current hand. A crucial strategy is defensive play. Try to avoid discarding tiles that your opponents might need to complete their own hands. Remember, consistent practice and experience are the best ways to develop strong Mahjong skills and improve your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.